Hello, good evening, Namaste, praise the Lord, Sastriyakal. Myself Daniel Peter. Today I am uploading a video about the electronics. Okay, so first purpose we will study about diodes. What is diode? Diode is like a check valve. The purpose of diode, it is a unidirectional flow of current. यूनिडायरेक्शनल फ्लो मतलब एक ही डायरेक्शनल फ्लो ऑफ करंट होना चाहिए. टू प्रिवेंट द बैक फ्लो ऑफ करंट, diode is used. Diode works as a check valve in the electronic circuit. Okay, diodes, what are the diodes? There are two types of diode, that is reverse bias diode and forward bias diode. Okay, your LED light emitting diode and tunnel diode are forward bias. These two diodes are forward bias, rest all other are reverse bias diode. What is Zener diode? The Zener diode which works on the negative resistance region. Negative resistance region, this is a graph and this is showing a current as flowing when the reverse flow increases. So this is called as negative resistance region of a Zener diode. Now what is a tunnel diode? Tunnel diode, the most heavily doped diode. What is the doping? To increase the current. So we are doping the charges. So to increase the electric current, the diode doping is done. Okay, okay, tunnel diode. Now this is what a varicap. Varicap, that is voltage capacitor diode. That is a dielectric, having a dielectric medium. So it dielectric means what? Which conduct electricity. Water has the power. Water is the dielectric. Okay, best dielectric. So this is about the diode. Now another topic is about integrated circuit. What is ICs? ICs are what? Integrated circuit. Integrated circuit which is made up of silicons. ICs are made up of silicon. Now ICs material is monolithic and silicon. Okay, this is all about the integrated circuit. Now integrated circuit, other now the topic is transistor. Transistor will transmit and receive the signals. Okay, transistors are two types, NPN, PNP. NPN, PNP means this first one layer, middle one is always base, middle terminal which is base, and the another is emitter, base, collector. Base is always at the middle, emitter, base, collector. This is about PNP, that is your n number of electron going toward the n terminal, and in the case of PNP transistor, the electrons are going towards the n terminal junction. So the middle one is base and emitter, base, collector. Collector which collects electron. Okay, emitter which is heavily doped, that is why heavily doping is done, to increase the current, number of current. Now another is one silicon control rectifier, SCR. Silicon control rectifier is also called as thyristor. Okay, silicon control rectifier which is anode, cathode and gate current. Anode, cathode and gate current. Okay, this is about the silicon control rectifier. Okay, now another topic is about the PCB, printed circuit board. Printed circuit boards are bread like structures. Okay, breadboarded structure. Now printed circuit board, the hardest material is palladium, cheapest material is rhodium. Okay, the printed circuit board can be used to for logic gates functions, that is AND, NOR, AND gates. So this is for the operation of these gates, this PCBs are used. PCBs are multi-layer, single layer, double layer. Okay, multi-layer means two or more layer circuits. PCB, printed circuit board. Printed circuit boards are made by lower voltage soldering methods. Okay, so this is all about the basic electronics. Thank you. LED works under low reverse current. LED works on low reverse current. So this is all about the basic electronics videos. Thank you so much. Be safe. Take care.